Good morning, every student. Welcome to Raj Chemistry. On today, I will tell you about the rest part of hydrocarbon. That means types of hydrocarbon, in which first type of hydrocarbon is saturated hydrocarbon. So on today, I will tell you about this. What is the definition of saturated hydrocarbon? What is the general formula of a saturated hydrocarbon? And what is the group name of saturated hydrocarbon? And also I will tell you about the common name, IUPAC name, dot formula and structure formula. Please listen me carefully and look towards whiteboard. Okay? Every student listen me. Saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon carbon in which in which single bond is always formed between carbon atoms. Carbon atom. Then these hydrocarbon are called saturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Okay. These hydrocarbon carbons are belong to alkene group. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Saturated hydrocarbon. Santripta hydrocarbon. Definition: the hydrocarbon in which single bond is always formed between carbon atom. Then these hydrocarbons are called saturated hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are belong to alkane group. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. This is the definition, this is the group name, and also this is the general formula. By the help of this, I will make the table of chemical formula, molecular formula, common name, IUPAC name, dot formula, and structure formula. Okay, now next topic. CFMF. Chemical formula, molecular formula, that is the same. Common name, IUPAC name. Dot formula, structure formula. This is the head branch of hydrocarbon. By the help of this, every groups of organic compound will be made, because the name of every group of hydrocarbon, that means organic compound, will be taken from this group. So this group, that means saturated hydrocarbon groups, alkane group, is the very important for every group. So my dear student, listen me carefully and look towards the whiteboard carefully. Okay? Now start. The general formula, alkane group, alkane. General formula, CnH2n plus 2. Where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that means natural number. Now start fulfilling the number of value of n in the formula and find the chemical formula and molecular formula. 1 CH4, 2 C2H4, 6, 3 C3H8, 4 C4H10, 5 C5, C5H12, 6 C6H14, 7 C7H16, 8 C8H 8 में 16 दो 18, C9 9 दूनी 18 दो 20 और C10 22. Okay, these are the chemical formula and molecular formula. Now common name. Its common name, methane. Methane. Here is the suffix. Here is the suffix, alkane. Okay, it is joined every name. In every name, it is joined in every name. That is the suffix. Okay, methane. Methane. Sorry, ethane. This is the ethane. This is the propane. कार्बन 1 मीथेन कहलाता है, कार्बन 2 इथेन कहलाएगा, कार्बन 3 प्रोपेन कहलाएगा, 4 आपका ब्यूटेन कहलाएगा, 5 आपका पेंटेन कहलाएगा, 6 आपका हेक्सेन कहलाएगा, 7 आपका हेप्टेन कहलाएगा, 8 आपका ऑक्टेन कहलाएगा, 9 आपका नूनेन कहलाएगा और 10 आपका डेकेन कहलाएगा. Okay, this is the IUPAC name, that is same to common name in this group only. Okay, methane, methane, ethane, ethane, प्रोपेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन का ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन का पेंटेन, हेक्सेन का हेक्सेन, हेप्टेन का हेप्टेन, ऑक्टेन का ऑक्टेन, नोनेन का नोनेन, डेकेन का डेकेन. Okay, now dot formula CH4 CH4 1 2 3 4. कार्बन के पास 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. हाइड्रोजन के पास एक, हाइड्रोजन को 2 पूरा करना, कार्बन को 8 पूरा करना. एक एक से शेयर करेगा, एक एक से शेयर करेगा, एक एक से शेयर करेगा, एक एक से शेयर करेगा. हाइड्रोजन को हो गया. अब इसको 8 चाहिए, 2 2 4 2 6 2 8. कंप्लीट. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला सी एच 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 एच. ये आपस में एक से शेयर किया, सिंगल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड सिंगल. दैट इज द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला. नाउ इथेन 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. C2H6 हाइड्रोजन 6 कार्बन 2. यहाँ भी वही एक एक से इलेक्ट्रॉन, जहाँ जहाँ हाइड्रोजन है एक एक से, एक एक से, एक एक से, यहाँ भी एक एक से, यहाँ भी एक एक से. हो गया. अब ये कार्बन आपस में कितना करेगा, एक एक से, क्योंकि एक बच गया. अब देखिए 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8. कंप्लीट. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला सी सी एच 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 एच. हर जगह शेयर किया 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन से, इसीलिए सिंगल बॉन्ड 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 सिंगल बॉन्ड. ओके. All groups name, that means all structure and dot formula, okay, already made in this process. Single bond is always formed between carbon atom and between hydrogen. सब जगह आपको सिंगल बॉन्ड ही बनेगा, क्योंकि सिंगल से शेयर किया तो इस ग्रुप में सब सिंगल बनेगा. इसी तरह से आपको ये पूरा बना लेना है. ओके. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आई वांट टू से दैट every topic of this chapter is very important. So my dear student, please take care in yourself so that you get, that means you could get more and more knowledge about this. Okay, be alert for your study. These studies are very important for you. Okay, my dear student. And I want to say at last, please don't be proud in any conditions in yourself. Okay, कभी भी घमंड नहीं कीजिएगा अपने किसी भी चीज पर, ना ही विद्या पर, ना ही बुद्धि पर, ना ही धन पर, ना ही ताकत पर. ओके. neither you will be destroyed in few time, that means some moment. So please my dear student, be ideal, be ideal, not in go not go in wrong directions. Okay. If you have liked my video, that means my teaching process, so please like, subscribe and share. Okay, thanks for this day.